Hi, welcome to the WordPress management control system. The control system basically consists of a master plugin which we will install on a WordPress site, and this will form our master control panel, and that will enable us to control any other WordPress sites anywhere else in the world or in any other servers or anywhere at all. Now, for full functionality, for full control of the site, we do need to install a child plugin. And this will allow even more functionality between the master control panel and the remote or the child blogs. Now, there are a couple of additional plugins that go into the master. This is the security add-on plugin and the reporting add-on plugin. Now, these are additional paid plugins, so you may or may not have them, depending whether you purchase them when you purchased the main control panel. If you didn't purchase them when you first bought the control panel, you will get the opportunity to do so from within the master control panel once you set it up. So your first steps are to view the tutorials that you can see under here. We've got a starter's guide, just a number of some very quick videos which will absolutely give you the best chance of successfully installing the control panel and your child plugins and getting this all working correctly. So it's relatively straightforward and relatively simple to do, but it does help if you just follow the guidelines rather than try and jump in without looking and reading the manual, as it were. That being said, there is also a PDF. So from the top, you can download the written PDF guide. As I said, that is a kind of overview guide. So please do view the starter videos, starting with this one, which you're viewing at the moment, the introduction video, and follow through the various installation and running to get you up and running to run the initial part and get you going as fast as possible. If you do get caught up with anything, please do check the FAQ, the frequently asked questions. Most of the issues that you are going to come across have already been seen. The program has been thoroughly tested, and as I say, everything that's liable to catch you out will either be in these tutorial videos or in the frequently asked questions. So if I just run down, after the starter's guide, there are some more specific tutorials on exactly how everything works. So there's a section on securing your master site, in other words, making it high security. And there's a section on the main control page. This is the primary functions, the main functions from your WordPress control center will all be operated from here. There are additional modules within the control center, and these are separate pages. So we have a backups page, we have a blog and clone page, we have a security page if you've got that installed, and you will have a reporting page if it's installed as well. And you also have a Google Analytics page and a website performance page. So all these particular separate pages, so these separate modules, if you like, are on separate pages within the program, and you'll see that if you follow through all these videos. So every bit you want to learn this all in depth in the videos. So as I said, please follow through the starter guide videos and move on to installing WordPress next.